Why does a Chinese doctor tell his patients to put lemon on their knees if they have problems such as back, wrist, knee, and leg pain? You won't feel any more pain in your legs, lower back, or joints. To start with this advice, we'll need a lemon. Cut the lemon into small pieces. Lemon is one of the fruits that cannot be missing in your home due to its medicinal properties. It is anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It fights inflammation and can relieve the symptoms of conditions such as arthritis. It is a natural painkiller. Its sulfur compounds help relieve chronic joint pain. Lemon is wonderful. Cut the lemon into small pieces and set aside in a glass container with a lid. Now we need cloves. Cloves, also called Indian cloves, have a number of health benefits, such as helping to treat infections and pain, as well as improving digestion, reducing coughs, and increasing sexual desire. These benefits are due to their antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, expectorant, spasmodic, and aphrodisiac properties, as well as being rich in nutrients such as vitamin A, vitamin E, and beta-carotene. Add a few cloves to the container. There is no exact amount. Now we need bay leaves. Bay leaves are a medicinal plant of the Laurus nobilis species, widely used in cooking to add flavor and aroma to dishes. But it also has medicinal properties and is used in traditional medicine to treat digestive problems, infections, stress, anxiety, and pain. Add 3 bay leaves to the container. To finish, add a tablespoon of coarse salt. Sea salt is an excellent mineral for massaging sore joints. Now add alcohol. Pour enough alcohol to cover all the ingredients in the container. Cover tightly. And you're done. But before you use it, you need to let it sit for 7 days until it's completely ready. Leave the container in a dark place. That's great, doctor, but how do you use it after 7 days? My dear friends, what we have just prepared is a natural ointment, and its use is very simple. Apply the liquid to the sore areas and massage gently to encourage absorption and relieve the pain for a few minutes. Use it on your knees, elbows, shoulders, wrists, ankles, and lower back. Whatever your pain at the moment, over time you will feel enormous relief. Apply this 3 times a day and the results will be incredible. This is wonderful, and everyone should learn it. But don't stop exercising. I'll stop here. A big kiss. Stay with God.